Hello, good morning everyone. Ngayong umaga, panonoorin po natin yung interview, yung live webinar ni Ma'am Jane Yao. Isa siyang Ganotherapy sa DXN. Ito'y pag-uusapan natin how the DXN product can improve our immunity. So, yung makakatulong sa atin kung paano ang DXN product ay makakatulong sa ating kalusugan. So, panoorin po natin. Panoorin po natin yung interview o webinar ni Ma'am Jane Yao sa Hungary.
Én nem is szaporítom tovább a szót. Nagy szeretettel köszöntöm Miss Jane Yao-t, Ganoterapeutát, és egyben Triple Crown Diamond vezetőnket. It's your turn. Thank you very much.
Okay. I should start?
Yes.
Okay. Good morning, DXN Hungary.
Jó reggelt, DXN Magyarország.
I am so happy to be here to see all my DXN members and leaders here.
Annyira boldog vagyok, hogy itt lehetek, és láthatom a DXN tagokat, a DXN vezetőket itt.
And it's your Saturday afternoon, but you are here to listen to my webinar. Give yourself a big applause because you care for your health.
Most szombat délután van nálatok, és mégis itt vagytok velem, hogy hallgassátok a webkonferenciámat. Ez egy nagyon jó jel, azt jelenti, hogy számotokra fontos az egészségetek megőrzése.
And of course today, I will speak about how can DSM products can help to improve our immune system in winter. What is immune system?
Mi is az immunrendszer?
Immune system is the defense system of human body against infection and diseases.
Az immunrendszer az emberi test védekező rendszere a fertőzések és a betegségek ellen.
And our immune system is essential for our survival.
Az immunrendszerünk
To attack from bacteria, viruses, parasites and other microbes.
ha nem lenne az immunrendszerünk, a szervezetünk ki lenne téve mindenféle baktériumok, vírusok, paraziták és egyéb mikrobák támadásainak.
It is our immune system that keeps us healthy.
Az immunrendszerünk az, ami egészségesen tart minket.
Your immune system is just like the armies that defends your country.
Az immunrendszered olyan, mint a hadsereg, ami a hazádat védi.
And your network of defense system consists of infantry, navy, air force armed with artillery to protect your country.
És ahogy a hadsereg is több rész, amely a hazádat védi, több részből áll, például van a sorkatonaság, van a tengerészet, tüzérség, légierő, ugyanígy az immunrendszerünk is egy bonyolult szisztéma.
And same thing with our immune system. We are always look out for invaders. Once the enemy is spotted, a complex attack will take place.
És az immunrendszerünk az ellenség legösszetettebb támadására is felkészít minket.
Function of immune system. Fighting disease-causing germs and foreign molecules, bacteria, viruses, parasites of fungi, and to remove them from the body.
Mi is az immunrendszerünk funkciója, mi is a szerepe? Az a lényege neki, a feladata, hogy megküzdjön mindenféle baktériummal, vírussal, gombával, parazitával, amelyek idegen testként beszeretnének hatolni a mi szervezetünkbe.
The immune system also strengthens dead or dying body cells.
És szintén az immunrendszerünk feladata az, hogy a halott vagy haldokló sejteket kisöpörje a szervezetünkből.
And of course, it also destroys abnormal or cancerous cells.
Továbbá elpusztítja a rendellenes vagy a rákos sejteket.
And you look at the picture, the bacteria looks like this, and virus is the other one on the right.
Ha ránéztek most az előadásomnak a diájára, akkor láthatjátok, hogy néz ki egy baktérium, és mellett jobb oldalt láthatjátok, hogy néz ki egy vírus.
Respond to infection. Our immune system reacts very quickly to any infection.
Milyen is a válasz a fertőzésre? Az immunrendszerünk nagyon gyorsan, azonnal válaszol mindenféle fertőzésre.
But before the invention of antibiotics and vaccine, you can see that how people can survive through infections.
A rendszerünk az, ami megvédi a testünket.
What are the main parts of our immune system?
Melyek az immunrendszerünk fő részei?
The immune system is so complex. Antibodies,
Egy nagyon összetett szervezetről beszélünk, vérsejtekről, antitestekről,
and the complement system, the lymphatic system, the spleen, the thymus, and the bone marrow.
és ebben részt vesznek még ugye a csecsemőrigy, a nyír, a nyirokcsomók, nyirokkerítés, a csontvelő és a nyirokerek.
And these are the parts of your immune system that actively fight infection.
Ezek az immunrendszerednek azon rész.
Between bacteria and virus infection.
Baktériumfertőzés. Tudnotok kell, mi a különbség a baktérium és a vírusfertőzés között.
Bacteria are single cell microorganisms.
A baktériumok egysejtű mikroorganizmusok.
They are very diverse, coming in a variety of different shapes and sizes.
Ezek nagyon változatosak lehetnek, különböző formákban és méretekben jelennek meg.
They can be beneficial, like the friendly bacteria in the gut,
Hasznosak is lehetnek, vannak hasznos baktériumok, például jó baktériumok a bélrendszerben,
or harmful to human health.
de ezek lehetnek károsak is az emberi egészségre.
A bacterial infection occurs when there is a multiplication of a harmful strain of bacteria on or inside the body. A bacteria can infect any area of the body.
A bakteriális fertőzések akkor fordulnak elő, ha a baktériumoknak egy káros törzse elszaporodik a testen belül, vagy a testen kívül. A baktériumok a test bármely területét meg tudják fertőzni.
These are the examples of bacterial infection like pneumonia, meningitis, food poisoning, and all these are caused by harmful bacteria.
Itt láthatunk a képen néhány példát a bakteriális fertőzésekre, ilyen például a tüdőgyulladás, az agyhártyagyulladás, vagy például az ételmérgezés. Ezeket mindegyiket káros baktériumok okozzák.
And the virus infection occurs when there is a multiplication of a harmful virus inside the body.
Ez eszemben vírusfertőzésről akkor beszélhetünk, ha a szervezetben egy káros vírus elszaporodik.
The virus infect a host to reproduce by hijacking the cells into the cell to make more viruses.
Hogyan működnek ezek? A vírusok megfertőzik a gazdaszervezetet, és elszaporodnak, a szervezetben eltérítik a sejteket, annak irányába, hogy több vírus részecskét állítsanak elő.
There are about 200 different kinds of viruses are known to cause disease in humans.
Körülbelül 200 különböző típusú vírust ismerünk mai napig, embereket megtámadó vírusokról beszélünk.
The nature of the virus. Viruses are infectious.
Milyen a vírus természete? A vírusok fertőzőek.
To survive and reproduce. Virus has the ability to mutate.
A vírus
Virus can infect humans, animals, plants, and even microorganisms.
is.
And virus is not a living cell like bacteria. No antibiotics can kill viruses. The virus is extremely small. It's 1,000 times smaller than the bacteria. How does virus can spread in the body? This is the example of how influenza virus goes.
Itt egy példa.
The virus attaches to the host cell via the receptor of the host, and then the virus releases the content into the host cell cytoplasm.
Proteinjeit.
And the virus uses host cell to create new viral cell to create new viral contents. And the virus replicate inside the host cells. And newly formed virus leave the host cell. So virus consists of a lot of genetic flexibility, mutation at high rate. Benefits of mutation is because the virus can survive through mutation. And mutation can happen between the virus. So it is a race between your immune system and the virus. And when someone has a virus infection, it can be asymptomatic, no symptoms. How the immune system responds to infection. When you have a strong immune system, your
Erős választ tud adni a fertőzésre.
So one of the response is phagocytosis. This is a process by the immune cell ingest or engulf or eat other cells or particles. So the process of phagocytosis by your immune cells often happens on a virus or an infected cell. Now, the second way of reaction is via cytotoxic cells. The cytotoxic T cell, it will bind to the infected cell. And the perforin makes holes in the infected cells, membrane, and enzymes enter into the virus cell. And the infected cell is destroyed. So you can see this is a powerful response of cytotoxic cell because it promotes infected cell death. And the third response of the immune system is to interferons. The interferons prevent and interfere replication of the virus by directly interfering with their ability to replicate within the infected cells. They also act as signaling. It's just like phone call to cells so that they can warn the nearby cells about the infection. And another immune response is the B lymphocytes produce antibodies. And the antibodies neutralize the virus. Now, we should have good immune system at all times. But why does your immune system become weak? Due to aging, environmental toxins, chronic stress, lack of sleep or rest, lack of nutrients in the diet, overweight or obesity. So today we like to touch the topic. Number one is body heat loss. Now winter is very cold, especially in Europe. If one don't have proper heating or you work outside the area that is so cold, and when your body cannot regulate your temperature,
hőveszteséges szerved, mint amennyit képes előállítani, és ez a fiziológiai folyamatokat is befolyásolni fogja.
Especially the hypothermia is the condition to have excessive loss of heat. The second problem that we face in winter is inactivity. People tend to have lesser movement because people spend more time indoors during winter. And during the lack of activity and exercise during the cold season, the immune system may be weakened and leading the health to be more susceptible to infections. And in winter, we have a lot of people have respiratory problems. So people tend to frequently have common cold and influenza, asthma, bronchitis, or pneumonia. And during winter, most of the cardiovascular system and cerebrovascular system will be affected. You can see that the blood vessels during winter constrict naturally to respond to colder temperature. This is called vasoconstriction. The response is to minimize the heat loss from the surface of the skin when the temperature is low outside the body. When the arteries are narrow, blood vessels, the oxygenation is restricted, and of course this will affect the heart, therefore increasing the risk of heart attack and improve your lymphatic circulation.
És miközben testmozgást végzel, mozognak az izmaid, ez pedig elősegíti a nyirokkeringést.
So carries all your immune cells in the system.
Tehát a sportolás, testmozgás,
And the second important thing that how to boost your immune system is you must have enough sleep.
A második nagyon fontos dolog, annak érdekében, hogy az immunrendszeret megfelelően működjön, hogy elegendő alváshoz juss.
When you have a good sleep, your immune system is able to rejuvenate and repair the wear and tears. People today sleep too much at the wrong time and sleep too little at the right time.
Időben.
We should sleep between 6 to 8 hours daily. And we must sleep at the right time. What do we mean by sleep at the right time? We have a body clock. When you sleep at 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, you are actually giving your gallbladder and liver time to rest and repair. Your gallbladder and liver, it is a big chemistry factory for you, so that you need to protect your liver because it will detox for you. To boost your immune system, you need to take care of the diet. You are what you eat. So you want to be healthy, you take more plant-based food, which are alkaline food. Animal protein and fast food, they are all acidic food. So we should maintain our healthy plate at all times. 50% of our plate should have varieties of vegetables and fruits. And 25% come from your healthy, wholesome carbohydrate, like your brown rice or wholemeal bread. Is your animal protein. It can be fish or your chicken.
Hal vagy csirke.
The immune system, you need to drink enough water. We know very well our body contains about 70 to 80% water. The function of the water is to transport oxygen and immune cells, and also nutrients in the blood and lymph. Importantly, you need water for detoxification. When we talk about health, it doesn't mean physical health. We would like to emphasize on mental health. Mindfulness is very important to boost our immune system. We can practice DXN therapy. This is a good meditation to reduce stress. So what can DXN wellness product do for your immune system?
És mit tehetnek
I always encourage you to take varieties, multicolor, rainbow color food in your wellness plate. And DXN gives you the multiple rainbow color function food for you. We have trillion cells in the body. So you need nutritious food to support your body system. RG and GL, the Ganoderma, is one of the most alkaline foods on earth. Micronutrient to support the body. So the whole range of products you have, especially you are very blessed to have this whole range of products in Hungary. These are the range of alkaline food with nutrients to support our body. It can balance the pH body environment, provide essential nutrients for the body to wear and tear, and improve the blood circulation to detoxification, enhance and modulate our immune system, and increase our cellular oxygenation. And here I would like to highlight cordyceps in this presentation. You already know that winter we have lots of respiratory problems and cardiovascular problems. So, cordyceps has a very good function on the respiratory system. It enhances the gas exchange capacity in the lungs. It's the bronchioles to improve the lung ventilation and gas exchange capacity in the lungs. To do that. Thus is able to relieve wheezing, especially patients with asthma and tightness of the chest. And cordyceps is good to reduce the fibrosis in the lung tissues. Fibrosis actually is a scarring tissue in the lungs. Here I would like to share with you a critical lung fibrosis patient in Malaysia. This lady is about 70 years old. She has been working in the chemical lab for a long time. So when she retired at about 60 years old, she started to have problems in her lungs. So her problem was so bad that she needed to carry an oxygen tank with her at all times. She couldn't even walk 10 steps. 2 years ago, she came to me. So I gave her the whole range of DXN Ganotherapy products, but I emphasized a lot on cordyceps powder. So I walked with her throughout her healing journey. I can see the improvement in her every day. Very patient, perseverance with the products. After 2 years today, she can walk up many steps, up the stairs. She can walk long distance without the oxygen tank. So when the doctor did the x-ray on her, so the doctor gave her a very complimentary report that her lung function is optimal. So she's leading a very joyful life today. So I would like to emphasize cordyceps on cardiovascular system. Cordyceps is able to enhance the ATP production in mitochondria in the heart. So therefore, it strengthens the heart muscle. It also can dilate and improve the blood flow in the coronary arteries. So this is very good for. Now, cordyceps is able to stable the heart rate and the heartbeat, stabilize the blood pressure, improves heartbeat recovery rate after exercise. And of course, cordyceps is very good on immune system. It improves adaptive immunity. Adaptive immunity is a slow immune response developed, and this adaptive immunity provides long-lasting protection for us. And this cordyceps is able to enhance the immunological memory. This is important because when you have an infection, your immune system can remember the particular invader or virus. So I would like to emphasize on GL today. Now, GL on immune system actually is already witnessed by me for the last 20 years of Ganotherapy health management. I have used GL to treat many kinds of virus infection. Especially in Malaysia, we have this dangerous virus called dengue fever. And I have helped many patients, including children and babies, so it's because the polysaccharides and antioxidants are abundantly found in Ganotherapy. They are crucial nutrients within the Ganoderma mycelium to modulate and enhance the immune system. And of course, the GL, the polysaccharide gluten D6. And we know that this bone marrow is the factory for our immune system. When we have healthy bone marrow, then we will produce healthy immune cells. And also, it helps the bone marrow to produce stem cells and the healing ability. I would like to highlight on androgy. And we know that androgy is very good for viral infection. And the history of androgy actually is very good for respiratory infections such as cold, sore throat, bronchitis, and pneumonia. Now, andrography contains a rare plant chemical called the andrographolide, which has shown good inhibition of infection and virus production. And what is another way to boost your immune system? I always encourage intermittent fasting. So when you have intermittent fasting, it will allow your body system to rest, your immune system can be strengthened. This fasting is actually special formulated by me to boost immune system. So you can use Morinzi 90 ml, cordyceps powder 4 scoops, and water 500 ml. You fast for 2 hours in the morning. You can drink the mixture within 2 hours. Then you can have a light lunch and dinner later. So, actually, I would like to conclude that health has to be nurtured all year long on a daily basis. Not only when you find problems in winter, you want to look for something miracle to boost your immune system. Look at this plant. If you do not take care of it every day, you don't water it, so our immune system has to be taken care of on a daily basis. Healthy lifestyle is the key to optimal immune system. And our DXN wellness products are essential nutrition for our immune system.
Az immunrendszerünk számára.
And health belongs to everyone in the family. So if someone is sick, we will be upset and we will be sad and to take care of the sick patient. To have a happy family, we need to take care everyone in the family to ensure every family members are healthy. That's why we will encourage everyone in the family to take our DXN products on the daily basis. So this is the message I would like to get across to all my family members in DXN. Stay well and stay safe, especially at this